Hi, are you ready for another project? Here we go. And we're back for another grand adventure with our motorhome. We started having issues a couple years ago with our turn signals and our warning flashers. They'd be able to get them working, and then when we'd go to start up the next year, they wouldn't work again. So we've tried everything. We've gone through the whole gambit of trying to change bulbs, check fuses, check relays. We did all of that stuff. Everything checked out for that stuff is all working. So what we narrowed it down to right now is the multifunction switch on the driving column. So we're going to pull that out, and we're first going to attempt to try to clean it and try to get it so that it works. If that doesn't work, we'll get a new one to put in there. The first thing that we have to do is take the tilt switch lever, just unscrew that so that it comes off. Put that out of the way. Then there's 3 screws in the bottom part of this little plastic clamshell that are a Phillips screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Take 2. You have to have a longer, skinnier screwdriver. These ones with the little adapters don't fit up into the hole to get to it. Okay, so there's the bottom half that comes out. There's a little button right there. Okay, the idea is there's a little hole in the side that you push this little knob in. You turn the key to the run position, press that button in, and the key ignition comes out. So that opens it so that we can get this off. This on this side is the multi-function switch. It's got your left and right turn signal. It controls your windshield wipers, washers, and all of that kind of stuff. And it's also controls your 4-way flashers. Now there's 2 screws in here that we take out, and then this whole switch pulls out. These screws are T25 that fits into it to turn the things out. It's not a regular Phillips screw. And the switch comes out. In the switch there's three things that plug in. That one wasn't on really well. Maybe that was one of the problems right away quick. But pull that one out, and we pull this one out. So this is our multi-function switch, and we can see already one of the posts inside of where the plugs are is corroded. We're going to clean that up, but what we're going to do is we're going to pull this apart, take these 5 screws out and pull it apart and clean the inside of it, and hopefully we'll get it to work a little bit better. So this is the inside of the multifunction switch, and as you can see there's corrosion in a bunch of different places. And then we'll go ahead and try it, and hopefully it'll work. If not, we'll have to get a new switch. Well, we have a success. Not taking this one apart and cleaning it back up, which we did. You saw that we did that. We took this apart, tried to clean the contacts on the inside, and when we put it back together, it changed from one turn signal not working to the other turn signal not working. Okay, so this was this is a Ford F53 chassis on our motorhome. So we went and checked a bunch of prices at Napa and at the Ford dealership, and we had a bunch of different prices. The highest price was $165. That was the original Ford part. Napa had one that was $125, and another one that was $50. We checked in, and the one that was $50 was not a very good one. We went and got an OEM product at a different auto parts store, and it cost us $95.61, and was able to put it in by ourselves, so we didn't have to get charged any labor. So on that note, watch YouTube and learn stuff from there, and you'd be surprised at how easy some things are to fix. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Share this out, and if nothing else, please give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Anything, it definitely does help us get the video out to everybody. On that note, thank you very much. Have a good day.